This is Mitali and welcome back to my channel. So also welcome to the second video of my birthday week series. I hope you have checked out the first video of this birthday series. If you haven't checked out, यहाँ पे मैं I button में link mention कर दूँगी. After watching this video, go and watch and go and check out that video. I'm sure you're gonna have some amazing time. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys some of the pieces that are really like wardrobe and closet essential, and I think every girl should own these pieces. So yeah, if you want to know what are those 10 pieces, then yeah, keep on watching the video. Before that, if you're new here, make sure you are subscribing to this channel because I'll be uploading a lot of content this week. So अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक भी कर देना इसको एंड में एंड शेयर कर देना अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. एंड yeah, now let's get into the video. So the first wardrobe or the closet essential would be definitely a denim jacket. Oh my god, denim jackets are the best thing. Just throw in a jacket and it's gonna turn out your basic normal outfit to a really nice casual daytime outfit and nighttime outfit, like OOTD wala look de dega aapko basically. So the next wardrobe essential would be definitely a pretty black dress. So I think each and every girl should own a pretty black dress, like a statement or just a plain black dress, to be honest, because black is such an amazing color. It just flatters each and everyone, to be honest. Black dress is something you can style it up in many ways. Like you can make it a casual daytime look, you can also make it a funkier look, and also statement and elegant looks. Basically you can create so many looks out of that just one dress. So yeah, a pretty black dress is again a must have for every girl, and I think you should definitely own it, yeah. So the next essential would be having like a bralette. So this one is like a lacy bralette, and if you don't like a lacy one, you can obviously have the normal bralette like this. Also style it up in so many ways, you guys. Like I'm planning to do a Instagram video on how you can style your basic bralette in different ways. Do let me know if you are interested in that, because yeah, I have some amazing cool ideas how you can style it. And I think this is like a must-have thing for every girl, and I think every girl should own a very nice bralette because again, you can style it in so many ways, and yeah, this is an essential. Next essential would be having a mesh top, and what's better than having a black color ka mesh top. Again, this is a very simple thing to have in your closet, but again, you can style it up, you can style it down in so many ways, to be honest. So if you're someone who doesn't like wearing sleeveless tops or strappy tops, you can obviously throw in this one. Like strappy tops के बाद ये throw on कर सकते हो. So it's just gonna cover your arms and everything, and you'll be like you're wearing something, but still there is a kind of exposure. Again, I think this is like a must have for every girl. And yeah, a mesh top, so I think सबके पास होना चाहिए, because yeah, you can again make it a casual look, you can make it really elegant, and again a really funky disco-y types one. So yeah, again, this is just a must have for each and every girls out there. Okay, so the next must have is having a really nice statement Indian outfit. For today, I'm just showing you this lehenga, and I have a separate video on how I made this customized, and this just cost me $1,000 to be honest to make this beautiful lehenga. And iska, what you say, the ghera is this much. I can hold it like this, actually like this, to be honest. So it has this much of ghera, which is stunning, and I've only spent 1,000 rupees on making the whole lehenga. I have a separate video on this channel, and that video is the most viewed video on this channel. So make sure आप वो जाके देखो अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा. I'll link it in the I button, so yeah, you guys can obviously check it out from there. And yeah, I think each and every girl should own a really nice statement, elegant Indian outfit like lehenga, shararas, or just a very heavy nice suit piece or sari for that matter, because Indian outfit just looks so good and they just makes you so elegant. So yeah, having an Indian statement Indian outfit is again a must have. So yeah, I think each and every girl should own that. So the next wardrobe essential would be definitely having a shimmery or just a blingy and yeah, like this kind of top. I think each and every girl should own a blingy, sparkly kind of top. or anything like which is blingy, even a dress for that matter, because that looks really nice. And yeah, again, that is something you can style it up in so many ways. Top nahi pasand, you can obviously get something like this. So I have this jacket which looks really nice, to be honest, and yeah, you can just wear a spaghetti or a bralette, a simple spaghetti or a bralette, and just throw in this jacket. You're gonna look so cool and amazing. So yeah, again, blingy top is a must. So the next wardrobe essential is having some plain or normal kurtis. Again, kurtis are really trending these days, and I suggest you कि आप एक comfortable kurtis लो, because yeah, for a person like me, I cannot wear Indian, to be honest, ज़्यादा, क्योंकि मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा गर्म होता है. So yeah, invest in some good quality kurtis like cotton and everything. I'm gonna mention some of my favorite brands and dress pieces right there in the description box. So yeah, you guys can definitely check out that. Coming back to kurtis, they are must have, and I think every girl should own normal simple kurtis which are really easy breezy, and yeah, that just looks really nice. So the next essential would be definitely owning some texties in your wardrobe. So I have some texties, like this has written snooze in it. I really love texties. So I think you must have seen my wardrobe video, like the cleaning and organizing my closet. So in that you must have seen so many of my texties and t-shirts in general. So I really love texties, and I think they are just sassy and they are just amazing. And आजकल तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा texties मिल जाती है. Best place to shop texties are the men's section. Are from men's section. कोई भी brand का men's section देखो, they have some amazing texties, and I just love texties. I think that's really quirky and really sassy, to be honest, and I really like that. Another textie that I really like is this one. So it says I'm back on popular demand again. I really like this. Texties are a must, and a loose textie would be definitely a plus point. So just wear a tight jeggings or jeans and just throw in that. You're gonna look so good. So the next wardrobe essential would be definitely owning a off-shoulder top or a dress or anything which is off-shoulder, because I think that just looks so really good and effortless लगता है, to be honest. और plus point जो होता है off-shoulder का is that अगर आपकी broad shoulder भी है ना, again it's gonna make it look flattering, to be honest, and काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. So yeah, again, off shoulder is something that each and every girl should own, because yeah, that looks really flattering and very feminine and makes you look really pretty. Okay, so we are almost at the end. So the last item would be having a comfy pair of bottoms, jeans, whatever you call it as. Like, to be honest, personally, I don't like wearing jeans. I really like wearing jeggings, and I own a lot of black jeggings. That's just my favorite, and they are really comfortable. So yeah, invest in some comfortable pair of bottoms and jeggings, jeans, anything for that matter, which is very stretchy and breathable at the same time, because that is really important. And I suggest whenever you are buying bottoms now, make sure they are really high quality, because yeah, if they are really low quality, you'll get rashes and everything, and you'll just feel uncomfortable in that. So yeah, make sure आप टॉप्स के साथ एक बार फिर भी प्राइस के लिए कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लो, बट फॉर द बॉटम्स और द जीन्स do not compromise. And even for your undergarments like lingerie, do not compromise with that, because it just can get so annoying and irritating हो जाता है कभी कभी. So yeah, invest in some good pair of jeans and bottoms, and yeah, you're gonna be sorted for your life. So yeah, with this we come to the end of today's video. So these are all of my 10 wardrobe essentials that I think each and every girl should own. Yeah, obviously there are more to it, like tank tops भी होने चाहिए आपके पास, spaghetti tops होने चाहिए, pretty crop top, but I think वो सबके पास होते हैं. But these are like a few things that कभी कभी missing हो जाती है हमारे closet and vanity से. I'm saying vanity again and again, God, closet से. Yeah. So yeah, अगर आपके पास ये सारी कुछ चीजें नहीं है, you can obviously get your hands on these stuff, because you can style all of these in so many ways. So yeah, that's all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it helpful. अगर अच्छा लगा हो, like कर देना, subscribe कर देना, and definitely check out my other channel, The Food Adda, because I make a lot of food videos there. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video, that is tomorrow obviously. So yeah, bye bye, take care.